So we have created some business partners, some items, and then we did some buying and some selling. We also had some receipts and some payments to our suppliers. We also did some manual adjustment. And let's now have a look at GST lodgement. So I'm going to create lodgement here. As you can see, there is no existing lodgement. This is our first lodgement. We start with adding a new lodgement from 1st of January to 31st of January. Now, first I'm going to click Show Pools. It's going to give me an overview of all the tax types and their structure. So basically there's IGST, CGST, SGST, and CESS tax types applicable in the India's GST tax structure. And you can see that we have paid IGST on our purchases, which is this amount. Now this paid IGST has input tax credits associated with it, which means that the tax that we have to pay to the government, the associated input tax credits can be deducted from it. Hence the clearing amount of negative 45,000. On CGST and SGST, you can see here that we have collected CGST on sales this much. We have CGST on some purchases, some small amount. Overall, we have collected this amount of CGST, and the clearing amount is this, which means we have to pay this to the government. And you can see that 13 and 1326, our total tax collected from sales is less than the tax that we have paid on our purchases. So overall, in this scenario, we are going to claim tax from the government because we have paid too much on our purchases compared to how much sales we had. So hence we can see the lodgement amount here is negative. So once we claim this amount, it should debit our bank account. This is the bank account. If we had more bank accounts, we could select them. And let's say it will be, we realize it on the last day of the month. I will click post here and it will be posted to our general ledger. And we can also see our GSTR1 and GSTR2 reports here. These can be downloaded in Excel format, which can be straight uploaded onto the GST portal gst.gov.in. So doing the whole lodgement, all the complexities of the lodgement is taken care by the system, and all you have to do is verify that these numbers make sense, how much amount you are claiming or you have to pay to the government, and then download these reports. We recommend that you review the numbers that you see on those reports and then upload it on gst.gov.in, and it doesn't take very long time. It's very efficient. So I hope you find FinCOLA useful and efficient, and we are confident that it's going to save your time in doing your accounting and lodging the taxes. The system is cloud-based. We keep track of any changes that government would do um, on the rates and adjacent codes, or if they change certain type of taxes. You always get the latest software which is compliant to the GST structure. So thank you very much for your time, and this is G. Have a good one. Bye.